Hey guys, Emily from Create86 here. So tonight I'm going to be showing you how I'm creating an 18-month meal planner, where any day of the week I can open up this book to a month and have all of my meals planned out. Here's what I did and how I did it. This is a classic size happy planner. It's ginormous. I'm not a happy planner particularly. I don't actually use their planners to plan, but as you can see, I printed out a big sticker paper and put meal planning on it just so it looks cute. Then I put this meal planning image as well. It comes with 18 months. It's an 18-month planner, so it comes with all of the months in the beginning. So in actuality, I could write every single thing that I plan on this and have a quick reference if I wanted it. So I glued together all of the months on 2 pages. It was a lot of glue sticks. It was probably like 5 or 6 glue sticks that I used. I'm not a month on 2 pages planner. I had no use for it in this. This is literally just for recipe ideas. So I glued them together. Let's see if I can get this whole thing in the shot. Okay, so this is July. So wouldn't it be amazing to just be able to open a book and have recipe ideas already written out? That's the idea of this book. There's a bunch of funny looking stickers everywhere because I have a ton of stickers that I'm never going to use in my planner because they're too big. But I still wanted to use them, and I figured I'd fill up all the blank spots that I didn't have things for. And I'm not doing it like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These are only dinner ideas. I don't eat breakfast. My fiance doesn't eat breakfast regularly. I don't really eat lunch, and I don't need it to be planned out for me because if I need something, I'm just going to grab it. But dinner, I cannot stand sitting on the couch and be like, hey babe, what do you want for dinner? And he's like, I don't know, what do you want for dinner? I'm like, I don't know, what do you want for dinner? That is the most, it grinds my gears. So I decided I would take the pain out of deciding what's for dinner by doing this. I've printed out like 10 different meal plans. I've used my own meals, and I've asked other people for ideas. So this is what it is. It's literally every week is filled out with a meal, like a main meal and a side, and maybe no side. Every single one. It's not completely done yet, so I'm not going to show you the back of it because this is what it is. It's just a calendar. It's an 18-month calendar. So I will have 18 months full worth of meals that I don't even have to think about. I do my grocery shopping about 2 weeks at a time, sometimes longer if it lasts that long. I always keep backup stuff like pasta. If I get sick or something, or you don't feel like going out or something like that. But as you can see, every single day has some kind of a meal on it. So here, that was July. Here we're going into August. Yes, there's tons of random stickers. I just wanted to use them up because I felt bad that I wasn't going to be able to use them. But like you can see, so Monday to Sunday, on this day we would do teriyaki chicken. I make homemade teriyaki, rice with veggies, probably broccoli or carrots, and you don't really need a side with that because you do it with rice. Then like baked fish with green beans and a croissant, pesto chicken pasta with broccoli, slow cooker pulled pork with baked potatoes or sweet potatoes, Southwest egg rolls with a chicken, and then salsa verde, spaghetti with meat sauce, and then ramen. We love ramen. We keep a huge stack of it here. So that's a quick fix on any day. I do tend to put it like once a week, and it gets eaten more than once a week in this household. So I thought this was such a cool idea, and it takes the frustration out of being prepared for like having to make a meal plan. Your meal plan's there for you. All you have to do is open up this is the first week in September, here's the second week in September, and write down everything and what your recipe is. Like, it's not hard. Roasted chicken, rosemary, and lemon. So I have lemon juice, I have rosemary, I just need the chicken. And it's gonna make my life so much easier. I am up to, let's see, has started in July. And I am up to the second week in April. So this is just what an empty spread looks like. I have a ton of washi tape strips that I haven't used, so those were getting put there, and I'm just filling them up with random stickers. It probably makes no sense to anybody, but I just didn't want to see the empty boxes. So this is what a full spread looks like, and this is how I'm filling it. And I'm just actually super excited. So April, I have May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December to do. This took me about, I don't know, a week to do these. And if I sit down, I can get 2 or 3 months done in one night. I just keep looking for different ideas, because I don't want the meal plans to get stale. When you're in this type of a situation, you can tend to repeat yourself a lot when you're just like, oh, I don't feel like doing this anymore. Like, I just want to write down something and be done with it. But I want us to actually enjoy the meals that we're having. So, yeah. Do you do this? Have you ever done this before? It was out of pure frustration for me. And I'm normally the one that does the cooking. Not all the time, but at least if he wants to help cook, he'll have an idea ahead of time. I'll be like, oh, well, this is what we're doing today, and if you'd like to help, that would be great. So let me know if you guys need some meal ideas. I'm happy to share different ideas. You can definitely screen grab these if you need to. Screenshot, screen grab, whatever you need to do. They're easy. I don't really cook anything that takes more than a half an hour, to be honest. And like baked fish takes 7 minutes. So, alright guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.